Hello, I'm Hemsri. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, after a long time, I have come up with the news that World Health Organization has issued a warning against 4 Indian cough syrups after the death of 66 children in Gambia. Now, let us find out the reason why. So, World Health Organization has issued a warning against four cough syrups manufactured by a Indian-based company over the last few months. Okay, so a Haryana-based pharmaceutical company linked for the 66 children deaths in Gambia. So they have been suffering from the acute kidney injuries. So the chemicals found in these medicines are diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. So comment your views on this and please give a thumbs up and share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon too. And thank you for watching.